All right, Stally, question for you. Memes. What's your thoughts on using like personalized memes or any types of memes in an email?
Yeah, I think memes can work. I think they can be fun or lighten things up. It depends obviously on your taste level when it comes to memes, right? And I do when I started showing people how to use like the Cookie Monster waiting GIF, as like a follow-up email, it seems super unique. But I think with the popularity of memes in all social media channels, it's gotten more popular in emails as well. As we said many times before, Sujin, everything that works will ultimately be ruined by people like us, that teach others how to use things that work, and then they are overused and overworked. So I think that you need to be careful. I do think that memes today still can work, and I think they can introduce a little bit of lightheartedness, a little bit of humor. They can make somebody smile. People enjoy them. That's why they're popular, right? People like memes. So you can use that to your advantage when you send a cold email and try to get in touch in front of somebody that maybe has a very gray and boring email inbox, right? And all of a sudden there's like this email that stands out that has some funny thing that makes them laugh or smile at least. So I think you can use it, but use it in a measured way. Don't send me 10 follow-up emails where one email after another is a meme, right? That now went from this person is kind of funny and different to this person is like a 12-year-old teenager, right? And have context around your competitive landscape and your customers. So you might just be in a world where right now using memes in cold emails is going to be overused. If you send cold emails to startups, maybe startup people are a little bit more fatigued about around memes than the enterprise CTO that doesn't get that many of them. So, I think today they can still work. I think if you choose the right one at the right time, it can be kind of a nice little shakeup and make you different. But like everything else, I think with memes, you want to really keep things under control. Don't overuse it. It's not some kind of a magical thing where if you just send somebody enough funny memes, eventually they'll crack and they'll give you all their money. It's not going to work like that.
I've never seen a meme generate millions of dollars. Not the volume of memes, but one thing I want to add here is that one of my friends he used the Star Wars theme really well. So he Star Wars meme very well at the right time. So between Star Wars came out, the big Star Wars movie came out December. So when did he use it? December and January. Guess when it stopped working? February, because people stopped giving a crap, right? You got to move on. So right timing is super important.